Bollywood love stories where heroes fight gangsters. But what if I told you? For nearly 30 years, the gangsters were the ones funding the heroes. This is the untold story of how India's biggest film industry was silently controlled by the criminal underworld, where movies were money laundering machines, stars were bargaining chips, and a single phone call could decide whether you lived or died. On screen, Bollywood sold dreams. Behind the scenes, it ran on fear. For decades, the Indian film industry wasn't even legally recognized as an industry. No bank loans, no insurance, no formal funding. Big budgets, zero legal money. And that desperation created an opening. An opening the underworld walked into without knocking. Section 1. How the Mafia entered Bollywood. Because films weren't considered a legitimate business, producers had only one option left: private money. Gangsters, smugglers, and crime lords stepped in with cash. Fast cash. No paperwork, insane interest rates. What they got in return was something priceless: a perfect system to turn dirty money into clean profits. Bollywood became a washing machine, where extortion money, smuggling profits, and illegal funds came out as box office collections. Section 2. The first dawn of cinema. One of the earliest men to understand the power of cinema was Haji Mastan. From dock worker to smuggler, he didn't just fund films. He used glamour to legitimize crime. Photos with stars, film parties, red carpet presence. Cinema wasn't entertainment to him, it was branding. But what started as stylish influence soon turned into something far darker. Section 3. The Era of Fear. By the late 80s and 90s, one name froze Mumbai in fear: Dawood Ibrahim. From Dubai, his syndicate controlled casting decisions, music rights, and overseas distribution. A phone call could force a producer to cast an actor. Refusal could mean bullets. Film personalities were shot in broad daylight. Threat calls became routine. Extortion was normalized. The real producers weren't on film sets. They were making calls from abroad. Section 4. The Starlet and the Gangster. Then came stories where glamour met destruction. A rising actress, a mysterious man calling from Dubai. Promises of roles and stardom. She didn't know he was a feared gangster. But once she did, it was already too late. When they were arrested together in Europe with forged passports, her career ended overnight. Her identity was no longer actress. It became underworld connection. This wasn't romance. It was control disguised as love. Section 5. When fear became public. For those who still doubted the underworld's power, the 1990s delivered brutal proof. A music tycoon was gunned down outside a temple for refusing extortion. The message was clear: no fame, no faith, no success could protect you. Then came another attack. A director shot just days after his son became a superstar. Bullets for refusing to sell overseas rights. Bollywood wasn't just making films anymore, it was surviving. Section 6. Cinema as a money laundering tool. One film exposed everything: a mainstream Bollywood movie. Big stars, big budget. But behind it was underworld money. During the investigation, many stars backed out of their statements. Fear was stronger than truth. But one actress stood firm. She admitted receiving extortion calls. She testified. That moment cracked the illusion. For the first time, the world saw how deeply crime had entered cinema. Section 7. The Turning Point. Two events changed everything. First, the Bombay bomb blasts. The underworld crossed a line from crime to terrorism. Second, Bollywood finally received industry status. Legal funding arrived. Banks stepped in. Corporates took over. The mafia's biggest weapon, black money, lost its power. Slowly, the grip loosened. The era of stars partying with dons faded. But the shadow never truly disappeared. New gangs, new threats. Superstars still receive warnings. Shots are still fired. Murders still send messages. The methods changed, the danger didn't. Bollywood survived the underworld. But the story isn't finished yet. Because wherever there is fame, money, and power, crime always follows. If this untold story shocked you, subscribe and turn on notifications. Celeb Maki, we uncover the dark histories behind the stories you thought you knew. And tell us in the comments, which untold story should we expose next?